We're in Crane Lake, Minnesota. It's a tourist community located here in northeastern St. Louis County. We are at the newly constructed Visitor Center and Campground. If you're familiar with Voyageurs National Park, it's the nation's only water-based national park and the only national park in Minnesota. There are 4 entry points: Rainy Lake, Cap Togaba, Ash River, and Crane Lake. The other 3 entry points had visitor centers for Voyageurs National Park. Crane Lake did not. So the construction of this visitor center established that entry point of focus for the community, for the tourists that come to the area to check out the park. This project was a long time in the making. It started with the acquisition of a former resort site. So there was a lot of early on coordination, acquisition, environmental permitting of this site since it was contaminated with petroleum. Once excavation started, several thousand yards of petroleum contaminated soil was removed from the site. Continued testing is going to be ongoing, but there's also a vapor mitigation system that's installed under the building to protect from volatiles that were encountered.
I was up here for the grand opening, and people are very excited to have this opportunity to not only have a visitor center, but a place to have meetings in the town of Crane Lake, and also to find information on area activities that they can use and put it to use in a way that's not only beneficial for the local residents, but beneficial for the tourists that come here and are a vital part of the Crane Lake economy. 6 or 7 years this project was in the making, and finally to get it to fruition is a big feather in the hat for the town of Crane Lake.